Let's be honest for a second. If you're still posting and scheduling content one by one, clicking through calendars, copy pasting captions, looking for the right time, you're doing pure grunt work. You already have enough on your plate as it is, and you're doing the most brain dead part of your job by hand. And yes, we've all been there, but that's exactly why Content Studio introduced smart scheduling. Smart scheduling is basically an AI assisted way to help you create and schedule content with ease without the manual labor and effort. All you have to do is write a prompt, AI will generate the media, write the captions, and schedule it for the right time for the right platforms. So you're essentially reviewing and moving on. So while it does the grunt work, you can focus on the bigger picture. So now let me walk you through the main ways you can use smart scheduling in your workflow to make your life easier. The most basic workflow is the single post scheduling. This is when you already have an image or a video and you just want it posted with a solid caption at a specific time. So all you have to do is upload your media, either from your media library or directly from your computer. Once the media is uploaded, you write a prompt describing what kind of caption you want and tell AI Studio when you want the post scheduled and which account. If you do not specify the account, AI Studio will show you all the available accounts in your workspace and you can simply select the one you want. After the caption is generated, you get the option to review the post, make any changes if needed, and confirm it. Once you confirm, the post is scheduled and you can immediately see it inside the planner. It's simple as that. The next level is when you don't even have the content yet. You can create an image or a video directly inside AI Studio, then immediately ask it to write the caption and schedule the post. So you start by writing a prompt to generate an image, then select the media provider, the aspect ratio, and the visual style you want. Make sure your prompt is comprehensive. Within a few seconds, AI Studio will generate the image for you. If you want any changes, you can ask for revisions right there, or you can move ahead and ask it to write a caption and schedule the post. Once the caption is ready, you review it, confirm the post, and it gets scheduled for the selected account, date, and time. You can make any changes at any time. So the idea, the creative, the copy, and the scheduling all happens in one flow without ever leaving the chat. This is especially useful when you just have a rough idea and want to turn it into a published post as fast as possible. But where smart scheduling really starts to save serious amount of time is bulk scheduling. This is when you have multiple assets and you want them scheduled across a week or a month. In this example, I've uploaded 10 images and asked AI Studio to schedule them as separate posts with captions. So it will automatically generate captions for each image and assign them to the selected dates. If you wish to change anything, revise anything, you can. For example, I am adding a CTA to every caption. You can simply ask and AI Studio will update all of the posts at once while keeping the schedule intact. Once you review the full batch, confirm it, all the posts are scheduled together. So instead of creating each post separately, everything is prepared in one go. You review the batch, make adjustment if needed, and confirm all at once. And last but not least, you can also do this without any media. So if you're creating text-only content like tips, insights, or short educational posts, smart scheduling can generate multiple posts and schedule them across specific days and time. You just describe what kind of post you want. You can specify a topic or let AI Studio use the brand knowledge already available in your workspace. You can ask it to schedule the post for a specific account and even request the best performing time based on Content Studio data of your workspace and your accounts. Once the content is generated, again you review it, make any final changes or revisions if needed, and then confirm. After that, the posts are scheduled automatically. This makes it much easier to stay consistent without having to manually write and schedule every single post. And that's how you can maximize your output in less amount of time. And that's exactly what smart scheduling is actually about. Less manual work, less burnout, and more output and higher performing reach. So if you're still doing it by hand manually, try smart scheduling and sign up for a free trial.